Alphabet for Kids. Start your child's learning journey with ABC. Now I know my ABCs. Let's learn the alphabet. 26 amazing letters await you. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for geese. H for hippo. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kite. L for lion. M for muffin. N for noodles. O for octopus. P for pizza. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for volcano. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero. You learned your ABCs. 26 letters complete. Way to go! Now I know my ABCs.